Arborist Caboolture. Expertise and knowledge are required to maintain healthy trees, which the average person lacks. It takes years of training to properly evaluate tree needs and recommend appropriate care. Without the proper equipment and gear, inspecting your trees could result in injury. Do you need a certified arborist to assess your backyard trees? Look for a Brisbane arborist with years of experience, a proven track record of service, and the necessary qualifications to improve overall tree health. Caboolture Tree Removal and Tree Lopping is the top Australia-known consulting arborist company in Caboolture and Northern Brisbane. Residents and businesses in Deception Bay, Narangba, Kallangur, Bracken Ridge, Redcliffe, and other areas can attest to our comprehensive arborist reports, genuine tree care, and tree risk assessment. Our team of qualified arborists is prepared to discuss your Brisbane arborist needs. Contact us today to receive expert tree care at an affordable and reasonable cost.